Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Jotform account. If you've decided you no longer need Jotform or want to remove your account entirely, this process will walk you through the steps to permanently delete it. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your account. This step is essential because you need to be logged in to manage your account settings and initiate the deletion process. After you've successfully logged in, look towards the upper right corner of the page. You'll see your profile avatar displayed there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your account, including privacy, security, and account management features. Once you're in the settings area, direct your attention to the left panel. Here you'll see various categories listed. Click on Account to access your account management options. This section contains all the critical settings related to your profile and account status. Now, scroll down through the account settings page. You'll need to keep scrolling until you locate the option labeled Delete My Account. This option is typically positioned towards the bottom of the page since it's a permanent action. When you find it, click on Delete My Account. This will trigger a confirmation prompt to ensure you're certain about this decision. A dialog box will appear asking you to confirm whether you really want to delete your account. This is an important safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. In this confirmation window, click on Yes, Delete to proceed with the account deletion. Keep in mind that this action is permanent, and once completed, you'll lose access to all your forms, submissions, and account data. And that's it. Your Jotform account deletion has been initiated. The account and all associated data will be permanently removed from Jotform's system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.